Hi, I'm Omid and today I'm going to show you 4 different ways for creating table inside the Power Query. Consider this a small table. I'm going to create it in 4 different ways. The first way, we can use the general definition of table. It receives 2 arguments. First is the list of column name. So let's write name, comma, age. And in the second we are going to provide all the rows in one list. So this is the list. The first row is John, age 21, and the second is Omid, age 34. By pressing enter, it's going to lead the same table. Second way is using Table.FromRows. Table.FromRows. In this case, we are going to insert the rows of table in a list. So there is a list including each row. So in this sub list, I'm going to write John, Omid, 34. In the second list, I'm going to write John, 21. In the second input of this table, you can define the column name. So write name and age. By pressing enter, it's going to result in the same table. The third function is Table.FromColumns. So write Table.FromColumns. In this case, instead of inserting each row, we are going to define each column separately. So there is a list including columns values. Each column value should be entered in a sub list. So John and Omid are the value of first column, 24 and 34 are the value of second column. The name of column can be defined here in a list, name and age. The last function is Table.FromList, which is more dynamic than others. You can use it in different way. Consider this example, Table.FromList, and write it here something like 1 to 5, and here write split by nothing. The result would be like this. All the values are provided here, but instead of this value, I'm going to write each underscore, means provide all the values separately. Or instead of this list, I can provide it in one column and write it like this, underscore, comma, underscore plus 1, and split it into 2 separate columns. See, for each value here, the result of this function would be a list. Actually, this is the sub list including underscore and underscore plus 1. So for the 1, it's going to present 1 and 2. For 2, it's present 2 and 3. We can write something like this, row and text dot from, and here write underscore. See, it mentioned for the row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4. So based on the splitter function, you can create your table easily here. So back to example, we can write here our sub list including Omid and John, 21. I'm going to use each underscore. So it provides this result, and at the third argument I can define the name of column also. So name and age.